Welcome to Intellegal, your intelligent legal assistant. From the Hub page, click Contract Review in the top navigation bar to access the Contract Review tool. Contract Review helps users upload a contract, identify risks and missing clauses, and review the document based on matched Philippine legal provisions. Once you enter the page, you may click Upload to upload a contract file, or select Paste Text to paste the contract text directly. In the Upload area, you may click Click to Upload or drag and drop the file. The system supports PDF, DOXX, and TXT files up to 20 megabytes. The bottom of the page, the system displays feature highlights, including multi-source law verification, key Philippine statutes indexed, an 11-step structured review pipeline, 16-category clause analysis, a 20-point risk scan, DOCX Redline with track changes, and a negotiation roadmap. After the contract is uploaded, the page displays the file name and status. For example, Ready to Review means the document is ready for analysis. Under Review Settings, you may select the client position to indicate the party whose interests are being represented in the review. You may also enter specific focus areas, such as termination clauses. After completing the settings, click Start Review to begin the contract review process. During the review, the system completes a structured workflow, including read, identify, search, shortlist, provisions, validity, clauses, risks, redline, strategy, and report. The search and provision steps retrieve and match relevant Philippine legal provisions. The subsequent validity, clauses, risks, redline, and strategy analyses are then based on those matched legal provisions. The system searches relevant Philippine legal sources, identifies applicable laws, and retrieves legal provisions relevant to the contract analysis, risk assessment, clause review, and proposed revisions. Once the review is completed, the system generates the contract review results page. At the top of the results page, you can view the contract title, contracting parties, and date. The system also provides an initial validity assessment covering consent, object, clause, and formal requirements, where applicable. The page summarizes the review findings into 4 categories: must fix, should fix, optional, and missing. The executive summary summarizes the main risks, key deficiencies, and priority revision recommendations based on the matched Philippine legal provisions, helping users quickly understand the overall risk profile of the contract. The Must Fix section lists critical issues that may affect validity, enforceability, or create significant legal risk under Philippine law. The Should Fix section identifies recommended revisions that can reduce risk and improve contractual protection. The Missing section identifies important clauses that are absent from the contract and should be added, such as representations and warranties, events of default and remedies, tax allocation, or standard boilerplate provisions. You may also expand sections without issues to review parts of the contract where the system did not flag material issues. The system also provides a red flag summary, helping users quickly identify potential risks, compliance issues, and contract provisions that require special attention. The system further provides a negotiation roadmap to guide the next steps for negotiation and contract revision. To save the review results, click Download DOCX in the upper right corner. To start a new contract review, click New Review on the left panel. When you are finished, click Back to Hub in the upper left corner to return to the Hub page. The disclaimer at the bottom of the page reminds users that the results are for reference only, constitute AI-assisted analysis, and are not legal advice. Users should consult a licensed attorney for formal guidance. This concludes the overview of contract review. With this tool, users can conduct contract review, risk identification, and clause revision more efficiently based on matched Philippine legal provisions. Visit Intellegal.ai/Philippines to start using Intellegal.